in this detailed and comprehensive video, we will be focusing on Codex, the OpenAI's most advanced AI coding agent designed to work autonomously on your local machine. So, unlike the standard ChatGPT interface, Codex integrates directly with your files and terminal to refactor code, fix bugs, and build features across multiple files without constant copy pasting. So, as we can see, here is the official page for the Codex, a coding agent that helps you build and ship with AI powered by ChatGPT. So, this is the current setup of Codex. You can simply download it for your system using this link right here, using which you can download it. The best way to build with agents, as you can see here, are the prominent features which have been revealed by the ChatGPT. And if you have not downloaded it or used it prior, this tutorial will help you doing the same. So designed for multi-agent workflows and a tool that adapts to how your team builds is definitely a great thing, made for always on background work and raises the bar across your team. So it is currently available to paid ChatGPT plans like Plus, Pro or Business. I currently have a Plus plan, so I can use Codex usage focused on coding session each week. So the same agent everywhere you code. Now it has different themes as well. Now in order to use this, you can simply click onto this download for Windows button right here, and you will see this installer.exe file right here. You can simply open it by clicking open, and you can see that it is opening a Microsoft Store API, and thus it means that you can also download it directly via the Microsoft Store. So you can see it has currently started to download. So apart from that, if you wish to download it directly using Microsoft Store, you can simply launch your Microsoft Store and type in Codex and hit the enter button, and here you can see this is the Codex application, and you can click onto the install button that appears over here in this particular section. Now before we also start doing this, you will just simply need to install the application. There is no another wizard that will be need to required. So once this download process finishes, we will be able to use Codex. Now another method of using Codex is via the PowerShell. So we will definitely search a bit about this. We will simply gonna type in Codex with PowerShell. Now here it is. You can see the actual results as well. And in the AI overview, you can see OpenAI Codex CLI and desktop apps are designed to run natively on Windows using PowerShell to execute commands and manage local development environments. So you can also do a quick setup for PowerShell as well. To install the Codex CLI using PowerShell, you can run the following command in an elevated window. So if you wish to install the Codex CLI directly to the PowerShell, you can simply copy in this command, which you can also find in the description of this video. And what you will need to do is simply run your Windows PowerShell as an administrator, and once you are in the desired directory, you can simply paste in this particular command and hit the enter button, and just wait for the response that you get via this particular command. And you can see that Codex CLI is being installed. It has detected my platform, the version, and is now downloading the Codex CLI. So let's see how and when it successfully downloads. Meanwhile, our other download is also in progress. My internet is terribly slow at this particular location, so that's why it's taking a little bit of time. But once the download is completed, we will come back and check what progressions did we make while I pause the particular video to save on time. So yes, we can see that Codex has been successfully installed into our system, and it says welcome to Codex, continue with ChatGPT or sign in another way. So I'm going to click onto this continue with ChatGPT, and Hopefully it will detect my account automatically. If not, I will simply use my Gmail ID in order to log in on the Codex platform. So I will simply select the particular Gmail ID that I want, or on the same that I have my pro account in my ChatGPT. Now I'll be going with the two-step verification in order to get the access. Now, once I have done in the credentials, you can see that the sign in is being processed, and now I'm going to click onto this continue option. And after clicking onto the continue button, you can see here I have the codex which says introducing GPT 5.5, which is the latest, most advanced version from ChatGPT, which is now available in Codex. It's the strongest agentic coding model yet, built to reason through large databases, check assumptions with tools, and keep going until the work is done. It uses more quota per token than GPT 5.4 but needs fewer tokens to get the job done. So we can simply try it if we wish, but I'm gonna simply cut this out for now. And here you can see that we have successfully installed Codex. You can simply set up an agent sandbox to continue. So we will be going through that in the next videos as well. So this was pretty much it about installing Codex into your system, and in the upcoming videos we will be digging a lot deeper in detail into these particular environments and how we will be able to utilize them in our builds. So do like this video if this was helpful to you, subscribe our channel, and have a nice day.